The state of Hawaii is testing the warning sirens in Hawaii. The sirens you will hear, or the tone it would sound, is steady, which in some cases are called tsunami. The tsunami tone for Hawaii. Please disregard the siren. This is only just a test. I repeat, this is only just a test. Thank you.
The regular monthly test of the live audio broadcast segment and all hazard outdoor warning siren system for Hawaii's warning sirens are used to alert the public to any emergency that may pose a threat to life or property. The sound of the sirens is to alert residents to turn on a radio or television for information and instruction for an impending emergency. Instruction may also be provided by a cellular wireless emergency alert. Hawaii emergency management officials recommends residents prepare an emergency kit of a minimum of 14 days of food, water, medical, and other essential supplies. Always be prepared. Sent from the State of Hawaii Emergency Operations Center.
Sirens will start at August 1st, 2025 at 11:45. Thank you.